Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tech. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of purchasing NBA League Pass directly through YouTube TV. If you're a basketball fan looking to catch all the action, this is the easiest way to do it. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Alright, so you're probably thinking, why buy NBA League Pass through YouTube TV? Well, it streamlines everything. You get all your regular channels and NBA games in one place, on one bill. No more juggling multiple apps and subscriptions. It's pure convenience. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Confirming you have YouTube TV. 2. Navigating to the NBA League Pass option. 3. Choosing your League Pass plan. 4. Completing your purchase. 5. Finding NBA League Pass games. Let's get started. Screen shows YouTube TV interface. First, make sure you're already a YouTube TV subscriber. If you're not, you'll need to sign up for YouTube TV first. Go to tv.youtube.com and follow the prompts to create an account and select your base plan. Screen shows the Live tab on YouTube TV. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Live tab. Now, to find NBA League Pass, you have a couple of options. Screen shows how to navigate to the Sports tab. Option 1, the Sports tab. Head over to the Sports tab on the left-hand side menu. You should see an ad or banner for NBA League Pass. Click on it. Screen shows how to search for NBA League Pass. Option 2, the search bar. If you don't see a banner, use the search bar at the top and type in NBA League Pass. The option to subscribe should appear. Screen shows the NBA League Pass subscription options. Okay, you're now looking at the NBA League Pass subscription options. You'll likely see options like NBA League Pass, which gets you all out-of-market games, and potentially a NBA League Pass Premium option, which might include things like in-arena streams or multi-view features. Read the descriptions carefully to see which one is best for you. Close-up on subscription details. Pay attention to the pricing, the duration of the subscription, usually it's for the entire NBA season, and if there are any free trial periods available. Screen shows the Purchase button. Once you've decided which option you want, click on the Purchase button. YouTube TV will likely prompt you to confirm your payment method. Screen shows payment confirmation. Double-check that the payment information is correct, and then click Confirm Purchase. Screen shows confirmation message. You'll get a confirmation message saying your subscription is active. Screen shows how to find NBA League Pass games. Now, how do you actually find the NBA League Pass games? It's easy. Go back to the Live tab, the Sports tab, or use the search bar. Look for games with the NBA League Pass logo. They might also be highlighted differently to indicate they're part of your subscription. Screen shows an example NBA League Pass game. Click on the game, and you're ready to watch. Recap of steps. So, to recap. 1. Make sure you're a YouTube TV subscriber. 2. Navigate to the NBA League Pass option via the Sports tab or the search bar. 3. Choose your desired League Pass plan. 4. Confirm your payment and complete the purchase. 5. Find and watch NBA League Pass games. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy a whole season of NBA basketball.
Asterisco asterisco, outro. Asterisco asterisco.
We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials from Rome Tech. Thanks for watching.